Those sharp stabbing pains that wake you up in the middle of the night, the sudden muscle contractions that make you gasp and reach for your leg in desperation. If you're over 60, you know exactly what we're talking about. Muscle cramps aren't just uncomfortable, they're stealing your sleep, limiting your mobility, and making you dread bedtime. But what if we told you that the solution might be sitting right in your kitchen cabinet? The truth is, most seniors suffer from muscle cramps because their bodies are silently crying out for specific nutrients. While many people reach for expensive supplements or medications, the real answer lies in 3 incredible foods that have been scientifically proven to prevent cramps naturally. These aren't exotic superfoods or expensive treatments. They're simple, everyday items that can completely transform your muscle health. We're going to reveal exactly which foods these are, why they work so powerfully for seniors, and how to use them to finally get the peaceful, cramp-free nights you deserve. The best part? You probably already have at least one of these miracle foods in your home right now. The hidden power of eggs, your complete anti-cramp solution. When most people think about preventing muscle cramps, eggs rarely come to mind. Yet this humble breakfast staple might be the most powerful anti-cramp food available to seniors. Every single egg contains a perfect combination of nutrients that work together to prevent the 3 main causes of muscle cramps: protein deficiency, vitamin shortages, and nerve dysfunction. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass through a process called sarcopenia. This muscle loss typically begins around age 40 but accelerates dramatically after 65. The result is muscles that are weaker, less responsive, and far more prone to cramping, even without intense physical activity. This is where eggs become absolutely crucial for seniors. Each large egg delivers approximately 6 grams of complete, high-quality protein containing all the essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild and maintain themselves. Unlike many other protein sources that can be difficult for seniors to digest, eggs are remarkably gentle on the stomach while being incredibly efficient at muscle repair. This makes them perfect for older adults who may have decreased appetite or digestive sensitivity. But the protein is just the beginning. Eggs contain an often overlooked nutrient that's absolutely critical for muscle function: vitamin D. This fat-soluble vitamin serves multiple roles in preventing cramps. First, it promotes calcium absorption, which is essential for proper muscle contractions. Second, it acts directly on the nervous system, reducing the faulty electrical signals that can trigger sudden muscle spasms. Third, it helps preserve bone density, which is vital for overall stability and fall prevention. The problem is that many seniors are severely deficient in vitamin D, primarily because they spend less time outdoors in sunlight. While one egg yolk contains about 40 IU of vitamin D, not a massive amount, it provides an excellent foundation that, when combined with other sources like fatty fish or fortified dairy products, can make a significant difference in preventing muscle cramps. Perhaps even more important for cramp prevention is vitamin B12, another nutrient found in substantial amounts in eggs. This vitamin is directly involved in proper nerve and muscle function, and a deficiency can cause a cascade of problems, including tingling in hands and feet, frequent muscle cramps especially at night, burning or numb sensations, muscle weakness, and anemia that reduces oxygen supply to tissues. The challenge for seniors is that B12 absorption naturally decreases with age. Additionally, common medications like metformin for diabetes or antacids for heartburn can worsen this deficiency. Eggs provide a readily available, well-tolerated source of highly bioavailable B12 that can help protect nerve function and dramatically reduce neurologically caused muscle cramps. For seniors concerned about cholesterol, modern research provides reassuring news. Studies consistently show that in healthy older adults, eating up to 6 or 7 eggs per week does not significantly increase cardiovascular risk. In fact, replacing processed meats or ready-made meals with eggs is often a winning health strategy that provides superior nutrition with less sodium and fewer artificial additives. The timing of when you eat eggs can also impact their anti-cramp effectiveness. Consuming eggs in the morning provides sustained protein throughout the day for muscle maintenance, while having a light egg dish in the evening, such as a small omelette or poached egg, can provide the nutrients needed for overnight muscle recovery. This combination of morning and evening egg consumption gives your body a steady supply of the protein, vitamin D, and B12 needed to prevent those painful nighttime cramps. Bananas, nature's perfect electrolyte restorer. While eggs provide the foundation for muscle health, bananas offer something equally important: the perfect balance of electrolytes that keep your muscles functioning smoothly. This common fruit is often dismissed as too simple to be truly therapeutic. But for seniors dealing with muscle cramps, bananas represent one of nature's most effective and accessible remedies. The secret lies in bananas' exceptional potassium content. A medium banana contains approximately 420 milligrams of potassium, which represents about 12% of the recommended daily intake. This might not sound like much, but for seniors who often struggle with potassium deficiency, this amount can make the difference between painful cramps and peaceful sleep. Potassium serves as the primary regulator of muscle contractions and nerve transmission. When potassium levels drop, a condition called hypokalemia, muscles become hyperexcitable, meaning they contract involuntarily even without clear nerve commands. This leads to the sudden, painful spasms that characterize muscle cramps. By maintaining adequate potassium levels through regular banana consumption, seniors can ensure their muscles receive proper electrical signals and contract only when intended. The situation becomes even more problematic for older adults because they're particularly vulnerable to potassium deficiency. Reduced appetite, insufficient fluid intake, medications like diuretics, and excessive sweating that isn't properly compensated for all contribute to potassium depletion. This is why incorporating bananas into the daily diet becomes such a powerful and practical strategy for maintaining healthy muscle function. But bananas don't work alone. They also contain magnesium, potassium's essential partner in muscle relaxation. While the amount, about 32 milligrams per banana, might seem modest, it works synergistically with potassium to calm nerve excitability and support the production of ATP, the energy molecule responsible for effective muscle contractions. When combined with other magnesium-rich foods like almonds, spinach, or legumes, bananas help create a comprehensive approach to cramp prevention. The timing of banana consumption can be particularly strategic for seniors suffering from nighttime cramps. These nocturnal muscle spasms are among the most disruptive, often occurring in the calves or feet and causing intense pain that can last for minutes. Eating a banana 1 to 2 hours before bedtime provides the body with the electrolytes needed to maintain proper muscle function throughout the night. This bedtime banana strategy works because it naturally relaxes muscles, balances potassium and magnesium levels, prevents the electrolyte imbalances that trigger night spasms, and can actually improve overall sleep quality. For enhanced effectiveness, consider pairing the banana with a glass of water and a tiny pinch of natural salt, which can further optimize the anti-cramp effect. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, an often forgotten nutrient that's essential for nervous system health. This vitamin regulates neurotransmitters that control muscle movements, reduces nerve inflammation, promotes muscle recovery, and improves red blood cell production for better muscle oxygenation. One banana provides about 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6, which represents nearly 30% of a senior's daily needs. Research has shown that low B6 levels significantly increase muscle cramping due to nerve dysfunction and poor neuromuscular communication. The moderate natural sugar content in bananas also provides a gentle energy boost without causing major blood sugar spikes, especially when paired with fiber-rich foods like nuts or oats. Another often overlooked benefit of bananas is their hydration contribution. Many muscle cramps are actually caused by mild dehydration, and bananas contain about 75% water, making them excellent for hydrating muscle cells. They also help rebalance sodium levels, another essential electrolyte that, when too high or too low, can impair a muscle's ability to relax naturally. For most seniors, 1 banana per day is sufficient to support muscle health, though those experiencing frequent cramps may benefit from 2 bananas daily. Diabetic seniors can still enjoy bananas by including them as part of a fiber-rich meal. For example, combining a banana with nuts or plain Greek yogurt. This combination slows sugar absorption and prevents blood sugar spikes while still providing the anti-cramp benefits. Nuts and seeds, the concentrated mineral powerhouses. While eggs and bananas provide excellent foundations for cramp prevention, nuts and seeds offer something unique. Incredibly concentrated doses of the minerals, most crucial for muscle relaxation. These small but mighty foods pack more anti-cramp nutrition per bite than almost any other food group, making them perfect for seniors who may have smaller appetites but still need maximum nutritional impact. The star mineral in nuts and seeds is magnesium, often called the relaxation mineral for good reason. Even a slight magnesium deficiency can cause muscle hyperexcitability, frequent spasms, and poor neuromuscular function. Unfortunately, magnesium deficiency is incredibly common among seniors due to reduced digestive absorption, certain medications, and dietary insufficiencies. This is where nuts and seeds become absolutely invaluable. Pumpkin seeds lead the pack with an impressive 168 milligrams of magnesium per 28-gram serving. That's 40% of the daily requirement in just a small handful. Almonds provide 77 milligrams, 20% of daily needs, while cashews offer 74 milligrams, 19% of daily needs. These amounts are significant enough to make a real difference in muscle function, and the beauty is that you only need a small portion to get these benefits. The magnesium in nuts and seeds works by directly opposing the calcium that triggers muscle contractions. When calcium floods into muscle cells, it causes contraction. Magnesium helps remove that calcium, allowing muscles to relax. Without adequate magnesium, muscles can get stuck in a partially contracted state, leading to stiffness, tension, and eventually painful cramps. But magnesium isn't the only mineral that makes nuts and seeds so effective for cramp prevention. Many varieties also contain substantial amounts of potassium. Pistachios, for instance, provide 290 milligrams of potassium per 28-gram serving, while almonds offer 200 milligrams and cashews provide 160 milligrams. By naturally replenishing electrolytes lost through sweat, urine, or inadequate intake, these foods help maintain the electrical balance that keeps muscles functioning properly. The healthy fats in nuts and seeds provide another layer of cramp prevention that's often overlooked. The omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats found in these foods work on multiple levels to support muscle health. They reduce muscle inflammation, which is often linked to chronic pain and increased cramp sensitivity. They improve blood circulation, ensuring muscles receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. They support muscle regeneration after physical activity, promoting better recovery in older adults. Walnuts deserve special mention for their exceptionally high omega-3 content, while almonds and cashews provide fats that promote healthy cholesterol levels and reduce internal inflammation. By improving vascular health, these healthy fats ensure muscles are well nourished and less prone to the spasms that often occur when circulation is compromised. The anti-inflammatory properties of nuts and seeds extend beyond their healthy fats. These foods contain powerful antioxidants like vitamin E, selenium, and various polyphenols that help reduce muscle oxidative stress, speed recovery after physical activity, decrease chronic muscle pain, and protect nerve tissue from damage that can increase cramp susceptibility. For seniors dealing with chronic muscle pain or joint inflammation, regularly incorporating flax seeds, almonds, or walnuts into their diet can provide meaningful relief. The anti-inflammatory compounds work gradually but consistently to reduce the background inflammation that makes muscles more sensitive to cramping. The practical benefits of nuts and seeds extend to their convenience and versatility. Unlike many therapeutic foods that require preparation or special storage, nuts and seeds can be easily incorporated into any meal or eaten as a standalone snack. They can be sprinkled on yogurt or oatmeal at breakfast, added to salads at lunch, incorporated into cooked vegetables at dinner, or eaten as an after-exercise recovery snack. The timing of nut and seed consumption can also be strategic. Eating them after physical activity helps replenish lost electrolytes and provides the nutrients needed for muscle recovery. Having a small portion before bed can promote nighttime muscle relaxation and prevent the early morning stiffness that many seniors experience. However, because nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, portion control is important to avoid unwanted weight gain. A recommended serving is about 28 grams per day, roughly a small handful or 2 tablespoons of seeds. This amount provides substantial nutritional benefits without excessive calories. For seniors with sensitive digestion, raw or dry roasted versions are preferable to heavily salted or oil roasted varieties. The added sodium in salted nuts can actually worsen electrolyte imbalances, while excessive oil can cause digestive discomfort. It's also important to be aware of potential allergies and introduce nuts gradually if you haven't eaten them regularly. The combination of concentrated minerals, healthy fats, anti-inflammatory compounds, and convenient portability makes nuts and seeds an ideal addition to any senior's anti-cramp strategy. When used alongside eggs and bananas, they provide a comprehensive nutritional approach that addresses muscle cramps from multiple angles: electrolyte balance, nerve function, circulation, and inflammation reduction. Bringing it all together, your complete anti-cramp strategy. The power of these 3 foods, eggs, bananas, and nuts or seeds, lies not just in their individual benefits, but in how they work together to create a comprehensive defense against muscle cramps. Each food addresses different aspects of the complex factors that contribute to cramping in seniors, and when combined, they provide a natural, drug-free solution that's both effective and sustainable. Starting your day with eggs provides the high-quality protein and B vitamins needed for muscle maintenance and nerve function. Adding a banana mid-morning or as an afternoon snack replenishes electrolytes and provides sustained energy. Including a small handful of nuts or seeds with meals or as an evening snack delivers concentrated minerals and anti-inflammatory compounds that work throughout the night. This isn't about completely overhauling your diet or following a complicated eating plan. It's about making 3 simple additions that can dramatically improve your muscle health and sleep quality. The beauty of this approach is that these foods are affordable, readily available, and can be easily incorporated into your existing eating habits without requiring special preparation or cooking skills. For seniors who have been struggling with painful muscle cramps, especially those nighttime episodes that steal sleep and create anxiety about going to bed, these 3 foods offer hope for real relief. The nutrients they provide work naturally with your body's systems to restore the balance that prevents cramps from occurring in the first place. Remember that consistency is key. While you might notice some improvement within a few days or weeks, the full benefits of this nutritional approach typically develop over time as your body rebuilds its nutrient stores and your muscles adapt to having the resources they need for proper function. The goal isn't just to treat cramps when they occur, but to prevent them from happening at all. By making eggs, bananas, and nuts or seeds a regular part of your daily routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to maintain healthy muscle function well into your golden years. These simple dietary changes can mean the difference between nights spent in pain and mornings filled with energy and mobility. Your muscles and your sleep will thank you for it.